Before you organize the cake pops, you have to make a 11 by 13 simple yellow cake mix. Make that in advance. I'm using a Pillsbury yellow cake mix. Follow the instructions on the box. A disposable pan for easy use. All right, the cake is in the pan, ready to go into the oven for around 35 minutes at 350. First thing you got to do is get your cake pan, dump it out, and then you want to cut the first layer, the brown, as thin as you can off the cake. Okay, you got to do that on both sides. You want to take the crust off and just put it away, and guess who's in there trying some?
Try some?
Yeah, go ahead, one piece. Nice little
I
snap.
like this one.
Is that a good one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh.
Yum.
Yum.
Now, we're going to put the whole cake in this bowl here.
Wow.
Okay, you see it? Now, come and help me
Okay.
break it up.
Break it up. Break it up.
Break it up.
Break it up.
Break it up
Break
good.
it up good.
See, we're crumbling the cake.
Yeah.
Ooh,
So fun.
isn't that fun?
Yeah, I'll
Make
try
it in
one.
little crumbles.
I'll try one.
Okay, try one.
Mm,
Is that good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, keep breaking it up. Break it up. See how we're doing? You got to show the camera. We're breaking it up. Is that fun? You can make your own icing, but for ease, because we're making this simple, I bought some vanilla icing.
I like vanilla ice cream.
You do?
Yeah.
Is that going to be perfect? Okay, so now we're going to be adding some vanilla icing to make this a little thicker so we can roll into balls.
Ooh, we're gonna roll into buds. I never do that in a while.
You haven't? Okay, well, let's do it.
The last time I did.
Yeah, have you rolled them into balls before?
Yeah, last time they did.
You did?
Yeah, last time they did.
Oh, okay, so you've done that before.
Yeah, last
Okay.
time we did.
Great. Okay, that's a measuring spoon. See, it's got two sides. So what we're gonna do
It
now,
looks like a spoon.
it does.
Can I do it?
Okay, go ahead and dump one.
One,
Dump it in there. Okay, let's get another one. We want to put 3 to start with.
3,
2.
1,
Dump it in there. Get one more.
3.
Go ahead. Hands are nice and washed. Okay, get your hands in there. And I want you to get the icing and just kind of moosh it into the cake. We want to get the cake with a lot of icing so we can roll the balls, okay? Atta girl. Mix it all in there. Now we're going to roll this into balls. So you get like a cookie maker, or this is like a little snowball thing. So they're all, hold on, let me show you the first one. And you get that amount so it's consistent. And then you roll them as good as you can into a ball. See, and it's kind of squeezing together. Okay, that's one.
No, I will do it.
You gonna try one?
Yeah, okay, Daddy.
Okay.
Let's try one.
See if you can roll it in a ball. Now, over the thing, don't let it crumble. See, yours is crumbling a little too much. Okay, let Graham do one more, then I'll help you. You got to press it at the same time over the bowl so it doesn't fall. So press them so that it sticks together. See?
Press it together.
Like in a circle. See how pretty?
Yeah, but I did it to one.
Okay, well, I'll help you now.
I can do what I can
Now,
do.
okay, we got a little system going. I started out, compress it. Here, you finish it. And you finish it. Over the bowl, honey. Over the bowl.
Oh no. Oh no, it's gonna fall out.
Nice looking little balls there. Okay, very good.
They smell so good.
They do. Now we're going to do a step that's very important. These are the little sticks you can
Can I do
order.
it? Can I do
Sure.
this one?
Okay, let me do one and then you can do one. Okay, you get the stick and you dip it into the melted chocolate. And this is pink chocolate. And then you just get one of them and you make a hole. And then you dip it again. You want to get a lot of chocolate in there to hold it. Push it in and make sure it's going to stay. So let's get another stick.
Can I do it?
Okay, let's see if you can do it. Stick it in. Okay.
Melted chocolate.
That's a little too much clumpiness right
sorry.
there. Okay.
So
Then let's dip it in this
I
one
wanna-
straight. Okay, straight.
straight.
Straight in. That a girl. You did it perfect. Okay, leave it because you don't want it to come out. We gotta see.
I made the nut.
You did it perfect.
Yeah, it's a nut.
Okay, don't pick it up. 'Cause
Yeah,
it's
but it's a nut.
got- no, it's not a mess. Okay.
I mean, it's a nut.
Oh, okay.
It was a
You
nut.
want to do one more?
Yeah.
Okay, stick.
I'm sorry, Graham.
Okay, go around and stick it in another one. Pick one. Oh, pick one you want. Stick it in. Good girl. Okay, you did it.
You got it all inside of you. Feel it to be true. And when you dance, I'm in the groove.
First.
Okay,
Okay, here's our first one.
That's our first one.
And I got the pink right there. And I'm gonna dip it in, twirl it around. Let it dry for just a second. Which one do you want? What color on this? What sprinkles?
Rainbow.
Rainbow. And we're gonna dip it in the rainbow.
Now I'm gonna do this one.
Okay.
I'm-
Hold on, not yet, not yet. Okay, so that's the first one. And we're gonna put it over here on the stand to let it dry. Okay.
Now I want to do this.
Dip it,
Dip it.
twirl it around slowly. And make sure the whole thing gets covered.
Slowly.
You gotta get all the side. Okay, now let it drip a little in there. Hold on. Yeah. What color you want? White?
Yeah,
White?
white.
Twirl it around. Okay, pull it out. Beautiful. That's so pretty. What do you think?
Yum, good.
Beautiful.
Now my
You make me move. You got it all inside of you. Feel it to be true. And when you dance, I'm
What do you think?
good.
What do they taste like?
They taste like vanilla ice cream.
Like vanilla ice cream?
Mm-hmm.
Would you say they're a success?
Mm-hmm.
They're good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, well thanks for helping me make them.
You're welcome.
I love you.
Love you.